any questions, in particular for a certain model of washing machine, we can ask Miss Lay after personally, okay? Let's move on to the next one.
We can move to another top-load washing machine.
Oh, we'll skip this one. All right,
We'll
sige.
skip the other one because this one also has the wobble technology. But on top of the wobble technology, it has what we call the active dual wash feature.
Active dual wash.
Yes, that's correct. It's only present in Samsung top-load fully automatic washing machine. What is active dual wash? Basically, it has what we call a built-in sink and side water jet.
Can you show us the built-in sink?
Here's the built-in sink. There you go. This one is the built-in sink.
There it is.
We understand that some of our consumers are, doing hand washing despite having a top-load fully automatic washing machines. In fact, we had a research, like 41% of our consumers are still doing the hand washing.
OC?
OC talaga. And besides, it's somehow, it's a way of showing to your family that, you care for them. Minsan, pag naglalaba ka, di ba, parang feeling mo, mas
You're giving
nakakita mo yung
love.
love mo sa
Exactly, right. So this addresses that concern.
Yes,
And,
that's
and also I think those really hard to take out, like the color, yes. Yeah. Okay, so you want to make sure, because you're very meticulous in that manner, and OC, so you want to do it.
Especially if you have a baby. Usually kasi when they mess up their clothes, ang hirap tanggalin. And sometimes worry na baka hindi matanggal yung dumi or yung bacteria on clothes. So sometimes, mommies, they would rather do the hand washing.
And talking about babies, parang siyang sink you can actually put your baby in. I mean, seriously, I was looking at this, and because it comes out, I think there's a function here that water comes out in, and yeah, and it's clean.
It's actually for us to easily understand what the active dual wash is. We have here a comparison.
Yeah.
Sometimes when we do manual washing, we have a separate batcha, we wash our clothes here, put water here, and then tumatalsik pa yung water, and then we have our rubbing board para dun i-brush yung mga colors ng clothes.
And this acts like a rubbing board?
And this one acts as a rubbing board. So you can throw everything away. This one, you can throw it away. You don't need it. Dito ka na maglalaba.
Yes.
And simply one touch of a button, lalabas yung water dito. And then, that's it. Hindi ka na palipat-lipat ng damit from batcha to your washing machine.
So there's no mess at all?
No mess.
No mess. You need to clean the floor because it's all intact in here.
And if you want to put the clothes inside the tub, simply lift this up. So, mahulog na yung clothes. Wow. So, ganun ka.
Hindi yung baby access, ha? I'm not talking baby naman. Yung nakakaupo naman na baby. Diba sometimes, you're all, stressed with time and, well, just to make things light a bit. But it's up to you. Okay, so this is the active dual wash, and it also has that wobble technology because it really, we really don't want to have that stress of untangling our clothes. And not only that, I think with this one, it also saves you back pains from bringing, clothes from one end to the other. And then, so I guess that's also a concern, especially for moms with lower back pains, which most of us have. Okay, so we move on to the next.